Manually editing all the products within your dashboard becomes difficult when it comes to WooCommerce. For that, today we have come up with the template that will help you in fixing this issue, and it saves a lot of time for you when it comes to optimizing SEO titles and description. With just one simple template, you can just optimize all the products within the dashboard. How do we do that? First, get into your product section and check your SEO title and SEO description. Here you'll find it is a default SEO title and SEO description that you'll find here. To make it the optimized one, and make sure it is according to the title and description that you want to have it. For that, what we need to do is get into the Rank Math SEO plugin. At the left hand side, when it is installed, you will find Rank Math SEO at the left hand side. If you do not find Rank Math SEO, you can find the installation video within our channel, how to install Rank Math SEO. You can check that out and then get back to this video. Once you have Rank Math SEO activated on the dashboard, you'll find Rank Math SEO at the left hand side. Alright, click on Rank Math SEO, then click on Titles and Meta. Rank Math SEO, then click on Titles and Meta. Under Titles and Meta, choose under Post Types, choose Products. Here you'll find the default template that has been created for single product title. Now we'll replace it with the one we want on our website. So I have already come up with the title. I already created one title. If you want, you can create one. Just paste it. Here you can see primary keyword aesthetic style room and use, then decor, then CutesyCurio. But primary keyword, it is not the variable here. So what I'll do is I'll choose the term, current term. If it has been added at the end, you can just copy paste it and make sure it comes at the beginning. As it is a product page title, so I'll include by. After term, I'll include online. Then aesthetic style room use, I don't want it the dynamic way, so I'll just include aesthetic decor CutesyCurio. That's it. And under expert, I'll remove expert option. Then I'll include my description. I'll remove this room use, perfect for your rooms, your room. Instead of primary keyword, I'll include the term here again, current term. It might have been added at the end. Just cut it out and paste it here. Shop premium term from CutesyCurio to create a Pinterest inspired home, perfect for your room, featuring thoughtful and curated design, premium quality, and fast delivery. It is not India, across all the countries. Elevate your everyday spaces with aesthetic decor you love. Perfect. Now, once it is perfectly done, if you feel it is perfect, then you can just scroll down and update it. It has been saved. Go back to the products. See, check whether all the title and descriptions have been updated or not with the template that we have created. See, all the product and products are updated with the title and description that we have created and updated. So if you don't see SEO title and description option available under the product section, then at the top of the screen you will find screen options. Here you just have to check SEO title and SEO description, then click on apply. You will find SEO title and description here. If it is not checked out, then you will not find these two sections here. For that you just have to enable the SEO title and description options over there. And let's check for with getting into the product section, how does the product title and description look like under the rank math section. See here, you can see buy pink. Under the term you will find pink bedroom bedside lamp online aesthetic decor, then cutesy curio. And if you just want to decrease the characteristics, that you can do along the side. When you create the template, make sure you already choose the optimize the title description character limit. I did not do that, but you make sure you already do that. So this is how you can in this way you can optimize all the SEO titles and descriptions in one go and one click, saving a lot of time for your WooCommerce store. Thank you so much. See here, you can find the term is different here, even in the description it is different. So this way you can optimize it. Thank you so much. Hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe.